Hey guys, this is my dirty car seat. I honestly got tired of looking at it and I decided to try out these wipes that I got from HomeGoods on them. This was a 2-pack for $3, and I just decided to see what I can do because originally I was just going to go and get my car detailed, but I thought, why not save that money and try out a home remedy? And we're just going to see if this works out. So here's my wipe. I'm just going to place it across the stain, and I am abrasively rubbing across these seats because I really want the chemicals from the wipes to soak up the stain and lift it. So just scrub, 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 scrub. So now this is my second wipe, and I'm just going back over all of the places that I scrubbed previously, and I'm just more so focusing on a specific stain spot, and I'm just like vigorously rubbing the wipe into it and just trying to focus on that specific stain. So this is how the seats are looking. To be honest, it looks better than it did before. But what I'm going to do right now is just go over it one more time. And then after I go over it, I'm going to allow it to air dry. For anyone who's following along, if you're at this particular step, just leave your car windows cracked. It will be good if you can leave it out in the sun. That way you don't get any odors or anything. And then after the seat has dried, if necessary, I am going to go back in again with another wipe. This is how the seat is looking after fully drying in the sun for about a day. There are still a few stains in the seats because I didn't get a chance to record immediately after it had dried, and I completely forgot about this video, and yeah. But I will say that the wipes did help significantly. Of course, I do need to go back in with one or two more wipes to get a few more of the spots that you see around the perimeter of the seat. But apart from that, the seat looks really great compared to what I started with. So definitely, if this video was helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.